Hello everyone, welcome back to EXPLAINCAD. Today we will know about circular component pattern in assembly. First of all, I insert a component, this circular plate. Okay. Now I insert one more component, this component. Okay. Now select mate, this face and this face. Concentric. Okay. This face and this face. Coincident. Okay. Again okay. Now go to linear pattern, drop down the menu and here circular component pattern, select this perimeter, we select this outer surface, degrees, this is spacing 15 degree, number of instances, equal spacing. I select this component and enter spacing here, just increase it. $60. Okay. Number of instances, I increase it. 6 number of instances, equal spacing. Okay. You can also skip any component from here. Just select this dot. Okay. This is circular component pattern in assembly. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.